That boundary, the 100 comes up for Nepal.
Fast hands of Dipendra Singh Airi brings up the second boundary of the over.
Gaps. He is unstoppable at the moment. Dipendra Singh Airi, 45 of just 40 balls. One hit away from a 50.
Pulled away. Another boundary, the third of the over. This man, Dipendra Singh Airi, is in the peak of his powers. And he's hell-bent on taking Nepal home today. What an over this has turned out to be. 14 coming off it, 1-1-2 for 3.
Yeah, again, just not the ideal delivery from Jarvis. He waited for it and placed it in the gap. When he plays, he more often than not manages to beat the fielders. Even if they are there for that shot, he's managed to find the boundary and end the over with a flurry of hits towards the fence. 3 boundaries in. Now, this has been a magical run between the two. Dipendra Singh Airi and Rohit Podel. They both know the job is not yet done. And I think that little conversation that Leask had with Podel and Dipendra Singh Airi has just worked in favor of Nepal. It has pumped them up. And right now these two are looking very threatening. Scotland are well and truly on the back foot now.
Quick single, directed problems. Oh, the wicketkeeper may have just impacted the stumps. But in the process, stand up and applaud this innings by Dipendra Singh Airi. The chase master, under pressure, as cool as he gets. Yet again, he proves his worth with the bat as he works magic with the bat, sometime turning that into a sledgehammer. His 8th ODI 50, well played, Dipendra Singh Airi.
He's a class act, Dipendra Singh Airi. He's been consistent in this one-day format and he continues to be impressive. 8th 50 in one-day international cricket, and it's come in quick fire time, just 43 balls. What a knock this has been from Dipendra Singh Airi. He came out and he's just expressed himself. Just love the way he bats.
Yeah, this has been the hallmark of the partnership. Not the fours, not the sixes. It's the ones and the twos. Game on, ladies and gentlemen. This game is certainly creating some wonderful moments. 119 for 3.
Yeah, 3 wickets down Nepal, but the good news is it's Rohit Kumar Podel and Dipendra Singh Airi in the middle. 50 for Dipendra Singh Airi, 31 for Rohit Podel. They've still got Gulshan Kumar Jha and Arif Sheikh yet to come out to bat. So things falling in place for Nepal. That required rate is still high, 7.29. But the good news for Nepal is that these two set batters are more than capable of chasing that total down if they stay there till the end. Brad Curry into the attack.
And I'll tell you what, Shoaib. What's really nice is that Rohit Podel has played himself in. Sometimes you feel you need those moments that just channelize your aggression and anger into something more fruitful. Now, Rohit Podel in the 1920th over was miffed with the players. He was angry there, and sometimes this works as a catalyst if you're a player. He was not pleased, not happy. He showed the bat to the player who was grinning behind him, and that's all worked as runs in the middle.
Yeah, the best way to reply to anything is with the bat and by scoring runs, and that's what Rohit Podel has done. And yes, we thought that it might have just triggered him, and boy, has it triggered Rohit Podel and Dipendra Singh Ari.
Don't trigger Rohit Podel. That's the moral of the story. He becomes a fierce lion